Hello guys, thanks for joining me. In this video I will be teaching you how to change text into speech, the real 100 human voice. Before proceed to the video, shout out to my subscribers, thanks for your support. Let's get started.
Nice.
To change text into speech is the best way for YouTuber to make money without using their voice. First go to Chrome internet browser and search for IBM text-to-speech. Run the first link for result. Will take you into the IBM page. In this section you will need to choose your plan, if not yet choose demo to try it for free. When demo version open you will see text box like this which you will use to type your words. And do simple setting like choose language and gender voice and start type your text instructions. Not need any coding experience. To start read your text click on blue button to play.
Hi, welcome my video.